welcome back. So last week I went to the Dollartree and I found this cute little birdhouse, I guess. And I was like, I can do something with this to make it worth more than $1, right? But I didn't have an idea, so I just started with shaving the little Dollartree hairs and sanding down the sides to just get rid of all that Dollartree quality. And I was thinking, it's a birdhouse. How about I make it a house? Creative, I know. That's what I'm called, JustBeCreative. And I'm still sanding. So I decided to get rid of these little sticks because they were in the way. And drop it. That's Moochie. So getting rid of these sticks, I found out there were little holes in there, so that was great. I already figured out to make a thing with cardboard on top of it, so I wouldn't have to deal with all that. So I built up a whole idea in my head and kind of drew it out on paper and then tried to see if Moochie would approve of it. And it looks like Moochie approves of my idea. So then in that case, let's get started by scratching little bricks in the whole cardboard cutouts that I made and like pushed them in a little bit to give it more of a 3D effect. And then after that, I decided to start with the first undercoat of black just to give the overall effect a little bit darker color. Then going over it with brown and red and purplish to just make it more of an actual brick color instead of just black. And here I'm making some little grooves into the side of the house just for the roof to just, I guess, see look a little bit better. I don't know if it mattered anything, but I tried. And now it is time to paint a little bit, just in case if the cardboard might have some little holes. Just make the house brown and the roof red and some outsides a little bit darker red. And of course the ground is going to be green. It's going to become grass. There we go, that's done. Now it's time to stick on all the cardboard and see how the final result is going to look. I also made 2 roof pieces of camera. Oh, now all the holes are covered up, so that's good. And now I decided to drill a little hole in the back because I wanted to, you know, push in a light bulb. Or an LED mini light bulb, I guess. These are all the accessories I have to decorate the little house, and that's my favorite part. It is time for decoration and details. So I started off with adding the windows. Add a little chimney, also made of cardboard. I made a little stairs, I made some stairs out of some ice cream sticks. A little door with a doorknob and a little table. And on the side I made a little tap and I had a little hose stand, I guess. You'll see in a second, I'll actually put the hose on, but now I'm just measuring it, I guess. I also made a little ladder on the side and I wanted to create a little clothesline, I guess. To just have a little bit of a moving object in there. There's the ladder. And there is the hose. So I wanted to put some actual clothing on there, or fabric. It was just fabrics with some piece of cardboard on top of it, just to make it look like it was, you know, stuck to a clothesline. I think this turned out really cute and it just added just a little bit extra. And now it is time for vegetation to just bring it all together. Some flowers, some plants, time to add that light bulb, and then we are actually all done, honestly. It was a pretty quick craft. It took me like 2 days and the end result is definitely looking like it's worth more than $1, I would say. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.